Okay, so my phone brokey. My phone very brokey. Oh, fucked the screen completely. It's still a relatively new phone. It's Galaxy 21 Ultra, and I don't want to pay the price to get it professionally repaired. So I thought, I kind of know a bit about technology. Why don't I give it a go myself and see if I can't fuck it up more than it's already fucked. I'm doing it on my lovely clean mouse mat. It looks a lot worse on camera. It's pretty dirty, but it's not as dirty as it looks to you. Anyway, so to prepare, I have got myself a few things. One being a nice pair of gloves. Ah, shit, wrong pair. Okay, that's better. That's much better. We got some magnetic pot. Ooh. So we've got some magnetic pots for any screws. Put them to one side. Got myself a toolkit. Nice little mat. Screw memory mat. We don't need a memory mat. Got a kit that comes with some nice little leverage bits. Screws, screwdriver. You know the shit. And then, most importantly, we have the screen itself. It's basically all of the shit from this phone is going to go into this phone. This brand new screen, refurbished screen actually. Fucking silly money for a brand new screen. So, first of all, one of the main bits I remember on how to open this phone, we've got to heat the back and get some of these underneath and just pry it up. So I have secured myself a heat gun. I borrowed this heat gun from work, which is why it is absolutely filthy. But it'll work for what we need to do. I'm a little bit scared because I feel like I'm going to fuck it up. But let's heat this up. Let's get this heat gun going, and fuck me, that's hot. And just warm this phone up. Let's give that a go and jump straight in at the bottom or at the side where I've already made a few marks. I do have this other tool I'm going to try using just to start it off maybe. All I seem to be doing right is blunting. It's fucking up these picks. This isn't a very good start to the video when I can't even get the back off. I'm a bit concerned I'm not heating it up enough. Starting to think that I'm starting to think these just aren't thin enough. But I have an idea on how to start off the process, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got this right. It's just your run-of-the-mill little razor blade. I'm kind of thinking if I can just get that underneath, right? Like so. I can then get one of these. Okay, that started to go then. A little bit scared I'm marking it up. So that's underneath now. I'll move that out of the way. Did you see that? The fucking thing I bought to do this broke off inside the phone. I'll be back. I have another idea. Right, okay, so update. The back glass is off, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Bad news is I did kind of crack the case in doing so. Ah! And my gloves are a bit fucked. Okay, my gloves are very fucked. Okay, gloves are gone. Can't be fast as that. What did I find out about this? I now know why you don't see people just using these picks straight away. They're a bit too big. I ended up using some playing cards, but they were dirty playing cards, so I can't show you. Also, if you think you're going too hot, you're probably not going hot enough. I really had to heat this up in order to get this off. I'm not overly too bothered about this back casing. I mean, yeah, it's pretty fucked, right? But it's going to be in a case anyway, so I mean, nobody's going to see this bit. I can't use the phone with the screen like this. So, next part, which is a part I am kind of dreading, is I've got to take out all the screws, take all of this out, and plonk it into the new one. Oh my god. Okay, so that was hard. But these are all the bits. There's quite a few bits. Looking at it now, you wouldn't really think this is a mobile phone. I mean, technically it's not a mobile phone until I get all inside of this new case or frame. Get that out of the way. And then get this onto the back of it. Back's gonna look fucking awful, but this I can easily replace some other time. I mean, well, yeah, look, I don't care. I am content with what happened, and let's get all of this fucking phone, all of this back in. Let's just continue. Yes! Haha! I think that's good. That's good, no? So hopefully, I mean, we've got no more screws left. This is taking a long time to start up. That's good. Haha! So yeah, still need to put my SIM card in it. That's currently in the phone that I'm recording this with. An hour and 24 minutes. I don't think that's too bad. Yeah, we may have broke the back screen. Like I said, it's going to be in a case. I never actually looked up how we go about resealing this properly. You know, okay, I'll probably buy a new back at some point.